In 2017, we began a project to develop a drone that could finally allow for a comprehensive health assessment of dolphins and porpoises without causing handling stress. Without these health assessments, vulnerable populations may remain understudied. We call this new system PHASM. In Bermuda, dolphins were trained to swim inside a large sphere and whistle when they saw remote lights turn on. With lights all around the dolphin, animals were able to tell us what they could see around their head by whistling, helping us find drone blind spots. The blowfield of the dolphin was also extensively studied with animals under professional care. Survey drones to help monitor populations were also studied for how they impacted dolphin behavior. In Oklahoma, tests began using a machine on the ground built to match the blow of real dolphins. A siphon was also designed to pull the breath sample into the aircraft. Which was also tested with real animals. With a prototype built, flight tests began in 2024 in Hawaii. The first PHASM collection occurred June 4, 2024, with successful captures in each subsequent flight. The next phase of the project will begin in Galveston, Texas, as we integrate this first-of-its-kind system into a comprehensive evaluation of vulnerable dolphins in the Bay Area, supporting local groups, foundations, and other stakeholders.